few weeks ago I did a video on how to use solder paste, and on reflection, looking back at the video, it's just a mess, an absolute mess. I'm still getting used to recording and working on stuff because every time I press record things go pear-shaped with me. I was using the solder paste out of the tub and using toothpicks to put it on the board. Trouble was, the board was hot and the solder paste was just running everywhere, and it was like amateur hour. So now I'm just going to redo a part 2, hopefully a little bit of redemption on my part. I've got solder paste in a syringe, and I'm going to repeat what I did last time by just putting in an IC. I'm trying to get across that solder paste is quite easy to use, and the last video, I suppose it didn't really show that. This one, I'm hoping it will do. So we'll have a look under the microscope and see how it flows better from the syringe. Before going, I just wanted to share this with you. I often say electronics live in a microscopic world. Here's a good example. It's a micro USB connector. You can see the pins on it. When you look at these things on YouTube and you've got the cameras, you think, yeah, no problem. But here's a grain of rice next to it, just to give you an idea of the size. These things are tiny. And when you're looking at the videos on YouTube, you just don't get an idea of just how small these things are.